So you're thinking of moving to Edmond, Oklahoma, or maybe you just want to see some pretty home tours. Well, my name is Kinsley and I'm a realtor here in Edmond, Oklahoma. I love helping people every single day find their Oklahoma dream homes. And today I'm going to be walking you through a floor plan. It is on the western side of Edmond, right off of Portland, in a new neighborhood known as Knox Farms. And this is an ideal homes neighborhood. They built some really beautiful homes. This neighborhood in particular, I think, is really unique because we're seeing some of those brand new houses in the upper 2s, lower 3s, all the way up to, higher 3s into the 4s. But you're getting a lot of good options, I think, of some new construction homes, really cute homes. And then also there is a really great playground here that they have built that I definitely think is drawing attention in town. And so in this video, I want to show you one of their floor plans. This house is listed just under $318,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, just under 1,500 square feet. I think the way they use the space is really great. The house isn't huge, but you get 4 full bedrooms, which I think is good for office, guest room, kids rooms, depending on what you need it for. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So when you come up, you have this long porch here, and you can see that there's definitely, at this point in time in the video, lots of construction going on, as there's lots of new houses being built. When you come up, you've got this pretty door with a window in it. And then as you come in, you kind of have a couple of options of where you can go. So if we go straight through here, you have your main living areas and your extra bedrooms. And then what's maybe a little bit unique is your master is actually up here in the front. So you have this little kind of closet, medicine type cabinet, but then right here in the front is your master. So you've got a window that overlooks the front. And then as you come in here, you have your master bath. So really pretty tile that goes throughout the bathroom. You've got 1 sink. I know for some people that's not a huge deal. If you're thinking about this being the master bathroom, sometimes 1 sink can be a deal breaker for people, but for a lot of people it doesn't bother them. And then you've got this really pretty shower here, and then you have your closet right in here. So really, I think a good amount of rods and everything for the size of the closet. I feel like you could definitely fit a decent amount of stuff in here. Your water shut off there, which is really nice. Kind of a different look at the bathroom here. And you do have this little rack back here. I think the finishes in this house are really pretty, and you'll see they kind of all tie together really well. Through here, you also have just another little kind of cloak closet. And then when you come in here, this is your main living area. So you have your kitchen here, and I'll take you back around that corner in a second. But your kitchen that overlooks into your living room, which also kind of blends into your dining room. So you could do, I think your table here, I'm not entirely sure how you would configure your living room, but definitely I think a decent sized space for you to be able to fit a decent amount of stuff in here. And then the kitchen being very open definitely opens this space up as well. So as we come through here, you can see kind of the same finishes, and the cabinet color all really ties together. But you've got this little coffee bar kind of tucked away and hidden, which I think is really nice, and a glass shelving, kind of just a nice little feature. And you do have a really good sized pantry in here, I would say. Kind of walk in a little bit, kind of gives you more room to put stuff here if you need to. And then when you come through here, you have your laundry. So this tile, you'll see it again in the other bathroom, but good little, good sized laundry where you can have your stuff here, but then maybe also put like a hamper or something right in here with a cabinet and kind of your basic rod. Through here is your garage. Not a ton to see, but you can kind of see it's just your basic garage out through here. And then as we come back through here, we'll see those other bedrooms. So you have your extra bedrooms back here. So you have just this one right here with, good size, kind of like your basic closets. Then you've got one here, kind of the corner of bedrooms with, again, a similar size closet. And then across from here, you have another bedroom. So making this a 4-bedroom house, which is kind of nice for, depending on what you need it for, guest rooms. This one has even a little bit bigger of a closet. But guest room, kids room, office, kind of gives you some versatility there. Then you have your extra bathroom in here. So that same tile coming in here. And then I like this cabinet. You would definitely have to keep it organized, but kind of having that glass is kind of unique, having it here in the bathroom. And then you can see your shower. So kind of your basic size little extra bathroom. But I love what Ideal Homes is doing, building this little neighborhood, getting some brand new homes with really pretty finishes in that $300,000 range. Some houses even in that $200,000 range, just depending on square footage. I hope that you enjoyed kind of this quick little tour through this Ideal Homes. Again, if you're thinking about moving and this house interests you, or maybe just another one here in Edmond, or you're just kind of wanting to learn a little bit more about what it's like to live in Edmond, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to be able just to connect with you and potentially help you on your next move. So I will catch you guys in my next one.